Good after scientific elections omunaku alabe fulishikiras.
Good after scientific elections omunaku alabe fulishimasa golongoto.
Kale bane mugambe nti imagine. Abamu baali bamanyi bavadda mu ssomero nga science yabatama. But fulishikiras the dead are not
dead.
Abafu tebafudde. Oyinza okusanga fulishikiras nga jajjawo yeggwe. And fulishikiras, mind you, history keeps on repeating itself. You might find that in 2029 or 2035, Milton Obote can come and rule Uganda like this, like that, because history always keeps on repeating itself. That's why when we are young, we urinate into our trousers, and when you grow up so old, you start again to urinate into your trousers. Things are so old. We are fulishikiras.
We are fulishikiras.
We are going to study about scientific
election.
The prayer is already Najimazeda. Scientific election is omunaku alabe. Fulishikiras, we always talk about omunaku. Omunaku ya ni mbaya banaku bana. Munyagwa. Munyagwa. The second munaku is Segirinya. The third munaku is Honorable Kato. Ano Katoluchi. Wama fulishikiras. The fourth munaku is Nabia. Don't talk about that. Like this? Okay, fulishikiras banaku betuli now. Imagine scientific elections are going to be scientific really. A person is going to come on TV, on screen, during daylight and says that, give me votes. Moke one, for example, stand up and tell us how Honorable Segirinya can make a campaign in English on TV.
I Honorable
Segirinya,
the was the chair and the comrade. I solemnly swear at my name Pakalulu.
Tumuwadde Segi tumuwadde na Honorable Katona akola atya bya luzungu ate tuli ku TV tewali bamuwage moketu.
My name is Honorable Katoluwama. Give me also I got to eat.
Had I known is a slogan of Kato. Fulishikiras, scientific elections most of the times, are we professors of fulishikiras, after hearing that Uganda is going to endorse scientific elections, we say that NRM RIP. We say that NRM RIP. What is RIP in full according to the scientific election era? Monkey one.
Rest in power.
Rest in power. Are we safe here?
Yes. Ochora, Sabiti, Kakabajeda, Kero Sobi, and control.
I don't general Sachet. If General Sachet is Mama Corona, everything is controlled. Because of scientific elections, many opposition are going to be cut off by floods of English on TV.
Yes.
Because the mere fact that most of them are good at Uganda, they will not come on air to express their views and their manifestos on air in English. That's why we say that NRM is rest in power. Why? According to the Electoral Commission, we are going to have elections on Facebook, social media, na kuba ku masimu. Fulishikira tumera kubera ku CBS ne ku BBS nga kutulondera. Kubera ku CBS omwami Medi Nsereko Sebuliba yagenda okubera polling assistance. Agambe CBS ero.
Hello. Warai. Nero ati nisa kitatuwa ku sente.
Invalid vote. Bani mubere ku mulama nyo tuli mu kulonda wano ku Chambasa Farmer program nezikokolima. Okay, alo ani ali ku line?
Alo. Nza wano famu ya majanja. Olonzani. Inoze Patrick Omujuka.
Invalid vote.
Ne family yange yonna.
Invalid vote tuli kuwa president yakwaluka fudde monke one.
Alo.
Sebo.
Ndiko lunatete.
Olinatete.
Tuli kumulamuachi.
Tuli kwa mwachi kalu invalid vote. Tuli mukulonda president Museveni n'abalala besimbyeo. Alo. Ani ali ku line? Vuddeko invalid vote. Okulonda nga bwe kugenza ku Chambasa Farmer obulwo obunabo nabo badde invalid. era bugenda kutwalibwa mu electoral commission bubalibwe naye nga sofa tubuwadde president baka bonus like this like that scientific election over go home. Good after Donizera and Big Eye Foolish Killers.
Good after Donizera and Big Eye Foolish Master Balongoto.
Foolish Killers.
Yes.
Big Eye once again is having problems with his long time lover Donizera. Teshanga mukatro chongera ku Foolish Killers. Baba even your mom doesn't want to be called
namukadde kati ne bwocho
nawe jakadiwa tolangira munno nawe ina abaana
omukadde magezi.
Okay, yes, omukadde maki nenga si Maolexus like this like that. Foolish Killers. Big Eye has a problem with the president of Uganda, Jajja Yoweri. Bwakola ki? Banja kasente ke yayimbira mu campaign 2016. 2016 yabanja akasente ke na yalinawo kayiti. Yatambula ku kenzo nakola ki? But Foolish Killers, I want to awaken your spirit that even if Foolish Killers is demanding money.
Yes.
Yes. NRM must pay Foolish Killers money
Yes.
because we worked in the campaigns.
Yes.
We are writing a letter to Jajja. Naffe tubanja. Twagula ennyumba abamulunda embizi temulina chachu. Like this? Like that? Muwalabe ba Buganda.
Mulimu Abaganda.
Naddala Gashumba. Okay, Foolish Killers, dear Sir or Madam Jajja, to whom
it may concern
ladies and gentlemen. Nosoko babuzaako politely. How is Jajja Mukyala? How is Jajja Mukyala? Kati olukasoma nawe Jajja Mukyala yeyongera okusoma ebbaluwa kuba ogenda omubanja wansaako tuwandikira Jajja bbaluwa Jajja Mukyala. I have written this love letter. Love ayinza okuloza ba girlfriend. Foolish Killers yekoze ebyayo. I wish safe here.
Yes. Ojola, Sabiti, Kaka Bajenda, Kea Robosobi, and Jenny Lusa Cheng.
I control. I have written this love letter to you, honey. Whatever, honey, naga warai.
Aonaji kweka jisomeyeka.
Kweka jisomeyeka. Kati nokola ludire. Give us our money. Give us our money. Not later than today.
Ngatinaba kweyocha.
Watu mugati benakola ki?
Kweyocha.
We are kati nedda omugamba okweyocha tajja kifaako nnyo. Omugamba we are going to ban votes. Ebiseera bino government eyagala kufiirwa muntu yenna. So if you come out and say Jajja tuwe sente zaffe tugenda kweyocha bilioni 2 ku account. Azilete ku masengeri. Aziwe full figure oba Buchaman era bajja zibba. Awani Baganda. Aziwe boss semba jo azilete. Mukama waffe. Like this? Like that? Twali salungu mumpi. Foolish Killers olosendeza kubanga Foolish Killers jukira bazadde baffe. Bakola campaign z'Obote. Mukinana mugumu. Obote n'awangula but we did not receive our salary. Kati sente za accumulating zikuzeeyo. Kyokka tetwandibanjizaako na OUPC. Naye ate President Museveni NRM baagula UPC.
Ne Uganda House ne
bagitemamu emizigo.
Babongezaako ne DP.
Ne babongezaako kati kitegeeza nti UPC ya president ki kati gwe tubanja sente zaffe. Later akability Foolish Killers and we ban ourselves if NRM does not pay us. Bring the matchbox Foolish Killers. Come and we ban ourselves.